let's understand how you can add context to your chatbot to get better and accurate responses. So by clicking on the plus icon, you can upload files. Let's click on Add File, and here you can drag and drop your files or browse through your system to upload files. The maximum file size is 20 megabytes for images and 1,000 pages for files. That is around 200 megabytes. Also note that credits will be utilized for document uploads, and the credit deduction varies with the file size, so bigger documents will use more credits. You can also choose from your earlier uploaded files or images. You can upload any kind of file, like PDF, Word doc files, CSV files, etc. So let's upload a file. Suppose you're a marketing agency and you want to analyze your campaign performance report. So after uploading the file, click on Add to Chat. As you can see, the file has been added to this chat. Now let's select a model. For CSV analysis, I will select a Claude model for better analysis. Let's add the prompt. Analyze this report and suggest 3 improvements for the next campaign. Now let's click on Send. Let's wait while the LLM model is generating a response. You can also check the thinking process of LLM by looking at the thinking tokens. So this has given me a comprehensive report of our campaign performance and has suggested 3 strategic improvements for the next campaign, like dramatically scale email marketing budget, reallocate LinkedIn budget, etc. So here's how you can upload files and add context to your chatbot for better results. In the upcoming videos, we will also understand how you can create a knowledge base with your files and upload it directly to the chatbot.